Alright, so I needed to make a video about this because I'm having issues with my GoPro Hero 7 Silver. Um, Currently, I'm unable to get the battery to charge. Uh, I did have it up to as high as 30%. When I turned it on initially, it had roughly 10%, I think. And I put it on the charger, let it charge, and I wanted to do a little testing with it. And I pulled it off, so I started shooting a video. I roughly made like two or 3 minute video, recorded it, and the battery went from 30% all the way down to like 10%. So I stopped, um, just shut it off, and it went from 10% to zero and completely shut off without even doing anything. So I put it on the charger, left it on the charger all night long, hoping that it should charge at that point. I got the GoPro. I looked at it and turned it back on, and it said zero, and it flashed, beeped, and shut back off. So here I am now trying to figure out how I'm supposed to charge this thing. So every time I turn it on, it says that it's at 0%. So let me try and turn it on here for you. And the fact that I have to hold this button to get it to turn on forever is ridiculous. Oh yeah, so I've been holding it for like 5 seconds and it still hasn't turned on. The only way I can get it to turn on is if I hit the record button or the red button on top, and it'll pop on. So I'll do that, but it usually shuts right off. So I hit that. Okay, so it came on. Now it'll try to record for like a second, and I have to shut it off. So there it is. So okay, so get rid of that. Yeah, and so as you can see, it's 0%, and it's been on the charger the entire day. So I looked in the settings. Every time I get in the settings, I'm able to look at it for like 2 seconds, and then it shuts off. So yeah, so now there we go. So I don't know what I'm doing wrong, if it's just mine. Hopefully you can get a quick look at some of these settings. And connections, so the wireless. So one of the issues is it seems like it's constantly draining, and I can never get it to charge. So I'm gonna try and shut this off and see if it helps. But it just shut off, so I don't think I'll be able to do anything else. As far as the controls are concerned, it's very hard to use this camera. I haven't been able to use it enough to like get used to the way the functions work, but they want you to connect it. They want you to connect it to their app, and I mean the app is okay, but like the fact that you have to connect it to get to certain features is I think it's kind of stupid. I wouldn't recommend this camera. The battery life seems like it's like if you have the Wi-Fi on or whatever it is, I feel like it drains it so fast. You'll always be trying to charge it. The cord they give you is like the shortest cord in the world. So I'm gonna go ahead and try and turn this thing on one more time before I end the video and see if shutting off the Wi-Fi did anything to help it. So let me go ahead and all right, so it turned on. It's still at 0%. It's been charging for maybe 2 minutes, which I understand it wouldn't be like 50%, but you'd think it'd gain a percentage at least. Let me make sure that the settings are still off. Connections, yeah, it's still off. So although it is staying on for a little bit longer than it did before, I'm thinking that turning the Wi-Fi off will help, but it's ridiculous that you have to, there it went again, turn off the Wi-Fi, because the Wi-Fi is like one of the key features of the GoPro, because then you can like download the files to whatever you media you wanted to send it to. But again, thanks for watching. Give the video a thumbs up if you liked it. Please comment anything. Maybe you had the same experience or you noticed I did something wrong. Please throw that in the comments. But thanks for watching.